Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy. Today, we're diving deep into the best foods to eat for muscle growth. If you're looking to enhance your gains and optimize your workouts, you've come to the right place. We'll explore the top 7 foods packed with the nutrients necessary to stimulate muscle synthesis and recovery. Stick around until the end to ensure you're not missing out on these powerhouse foods that can make a significant difference in your muscle building journey. Let's jump into the essentials of muscle nutrition. Understanding muscle growth and nutrition. For muscles to grow, they need more than just regular workouts. They require the right building blocks, amino acids. These are obtained from protein-rich foods, which are critical for repairing and building muscle tissue. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids that are then used to repair and grow new muscle fibers. Additionally, certain nutrients can enhance these processes, making some foods particularly beneficial for those looking to increase muscle mass. Top 7 foods for muscle growth. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of muscle-building nutrients, including high-quality protein and leucine, an amino acid that's critical for protein synthesis. Egg yolks are also rich in zinc, which aids in muscle repair and growth by enhancing testosterone levels. 2. Cottage cheese. Rich in casein, a slow-digesting dairy protein, cottage cheese keeps your amino acid levels steady, preventing muscle breakdown. It's perfect for eating before bed or any prolonged period without food. 3. Milk. Milk is an excellent source of high-quality protein that stimulates muscle synthesis effectively. It contains both whey and casein proteins and provides essential amino acids that are vital for muscle recovery and growth. 4. Beef. Beef is packed with high-quality protein, iron, and zinc, making it a great choice for increasing lean muscle mass. Studies show that consuming beef can lead to significant gains in muscle mass due to its nutrient density and protein content. 5. Chicken breast. Known for its high protein and low fat content, chicken breast is ideal for muscle maintenance and growth. It's a staple in athlete diets for its efficiency in building lean muscle without extra fat. 6. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, enhancing muscle synthesis and overall health. These nutrients also help reduce inflammation, which can speed up recovery times between workouts. 7. Chickpeas. For those following a plant-based diet, chickpeas offer a fantastic source of protein and essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth. They're also high in fiber and other nutrients, making them a great all-around option for health and fitness. Incorporating these 7 superfoods into your diet can significantly impact your muscle growth and overall fitness. Each food not only supports muscle repair and growth, but also enhances general health, allowing you to get the most out of your workouts. Remember, consistency in both your diet and exercise routine is key to seeing the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on building a stronger, healthier body. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about optimizing your fitness regime, make sure to check out our other videos on Build Your Anatomy. Your journey to a better build starts here.